Hey everybody, hope you guys doing all right. So here's some information on hemp milk. So it does not have as much nutrition, not by much as far, at least from what I've seen. There's a lot more nutritions in cow milk or bovine, which is what the scientific name for cows are. There's a lot more nutritions in cow milk than there is hemp milk. But one thing that they both do have, which is unique as far as plant-based milk is concerned, is that hemp milk does have all 9 amino acids, making it a complete protein, as well as cow milk having all 9 amino acids. So that is something important to consider. Now, the other thing that we want to look at is the environmental impacts each of these milks has. So hemp sequesters CO2, which means it literally pulls in CO2 from the atmosphere, thus diminishing the levels of CO2, whereas the production of dairy literally is responsible for 15% of the overall CO2 emissions. I'm not, yes, greenhouse emissions, but I think it's associated with CO2 emissions. But I'll have to double check my numbers on that. So that's not good. As well as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you guys watched it, it created eutrophication, which is essentially an imbalance of nutrients in a particular lake or body of water, which results in the death of animals. And that's due from the article that I read directly from dairy farming. Whereas hemp and just the basic economics, I mean, in order to get the milk, you got to have food. There's just much more things that's required to produce cow milk as opposed to hemp milk, which essentially could be just you grow the seed, you throw the seed in the ground, you give it the right conditions, the hemp plant will grow, and then from there you just got to do some pressing to get the oil out, or I'm not sure what the exact process is for converting it to milk, but it doesn't. I need to look into more specifics, but I don't feel like it has near as much environmental detrimental effects as bovine milk does. So I just want to share that with you guys, and all right, I hope you all have a good day. All right, love you guys. Oh, and then there's also the fact that with hemp, you can also create hemp plastic, which you could put the hemp milk in, and so by using those two things, you would take away the detrimental effects that the cow milk has on the environment, as well as taking away all the plastic jugs that most of these cow, if not all of these milk containers, cow milk containers are used to contain. So, and we have a huge plastic problem, so it would solve that problem as well. And just from an environmental, or just from a business standpoint, it's just very it's a lot of incentive to get behind the hemp product, because you can do so many different things for it. You can create the food, and you can create the packages for the fruit, and it's all eco-friendly and good for the body and the world. So, all right, I love you guys. Hope you'll take care and have a good day. Bye.